Take out all the parts from package. Make sure all parts complete. Please prepare a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Assemble the wheel. Remove the screws first. Then hold the fender with one hand, then install and tighten the screws. Remove the protective rod. Then loosen the screws on the wheel. Separate 2 spacers to make sure the frame stuck between the spacers. Turn the screws lightly but do not tighten. Tidy up the chain and put it on the flywheel. Put the chain on the crankset and turn it. Make sure the wheel is centered and then tighten the screws of the wheel. Remove the screws and assemble the chain guard. Please don't forget the wires linking the motor and battery. Then assemble the front fenders and wheels as video. Make sure have a pair of screws and pads on each side. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. The handlebars are adjustable, and ensure that the height does not exceed the safety line. Put the handlebar on. Pay attention to the handlebar in the middle of the handlebar position. Then cover the handlebar cover. First 2 screws simply screwed on. And then tighten the screws. Rotate the rear mirror out of the ring, then put it on the handlebar, and rotate the rear mirror in. Step 3. Assemble the seat. First loosen the seat quick release. Note the seat on the, then one hand pinch the quick release side of the end cap. The other hand, rotate the trigger. Feel the pressure. Tighten the trigger. Step 4. Install the pedal. First determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with A written on it is the right pedal and the one with L written on it is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank, and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both sides of the pedals or over the head position screw. The installation is now complete. If there are still questions, please contact us.